Hello everyone, welcome to CodeTube channel. In this tutorial, we will learn like how to create a virtual environment. So my code is in this folder basic. Okay, so my code is residing here, and I want to create a virtual environment, and within that I want to run my code. So to create a virtual environment, there is just a small command which is Python dash n name of virtual environment, like whatever name you want to give, and then venv. Press enter command. Okay, so this command will help you to create a virtual environment. So it will take few minutes to do so. Okay, so why we need virtual environment? We need virtual environment because let's say if you have two different projects, and the requirement of both the project is different. Let's say for project one you need OpenAI particular version, and for another project you need OpenAI another version, and both projects you want to run. Okay, so you can create a virtual environment, and within that virtual environment you can keep all your requirements and everything, and for another project you can maintain that. Okay, so here our virtual environment folder is created. Now we need to activate this virtual environment. To activate this virtual environment, we need to write venv, like the name of the folder, and in this folder we need to go to the scripts and then activate. Okay, so venv, then scripts, then activate. Okay, and press enter. Now for most of you, you may get a error, like you're not able to create virtual environment, etc., etc. So what is this error is about? The error is about execution policies. So to remove this error, what you need to do is open PowerShell in administration mode, like run as administrator. So write in here, you write PowerShell. Okay, and right click and run it as administrator. Okay, then after opening that, write a command get execution policy. So after writing this command, you will get that this is restricted, you are not able to, like, that particular thing is restricted for you. So write the command set execution policy remote sign and press enter. So here they will ask you whether you want to change the execution policy or not. Type Y and enter. Okay, and your execution policy is changed. This error some people will get, some people will not get, and their virtual environment will be activated. Now we need to again run this command as we have changed our policy. So let's see, and the virtual environment is created. Now here you can see that this green thing venv, so it means that now your code will be executed in virtual environment. Press this button and see, yes, the virtual environment is now successfully created. So please subscribe guys, and thanks for watching.